This is the project in Park Slope, Brooklyn, New York, where we have started the finish coat, which is the final stage of this project, where, as you can see, the workers are working on the overhead door area, where all the most intricate part of the in a building of a brownstone, where the details are mostly it's always those section of the area, it's many details and decorative parts as part of the building, where we face and try to carve all the details, as you can see in the video, the hewn shape of the stone, the columns, and the scoring of the on the bay area of underneath the window. All of these has been recarved, and we are almost closer to a finish stage where this building is coming to completion. We thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you very much, and we really appreciate your support.